Welcome to West of Anywhere Travel. Here's what's coming up in this episode. Today we're visiting Bern, the charming Swiss capital where medieval streets, alpine scenery and centuries of history come together in one unforgettable city. Bern's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it feels like stepping back in time. Founded in the 12th century, the city is famous for its sandstone buildings, covered arcades, and medieval towers that have survived for hundreds of years. Our first stop is one of Bern's most fascinating historical sites, the Einstein House. Albert Einstein lived here from 1903 to 1905 with his wife Mileva and their son. The apartment has been restored to reflect how Einstein lived during his years in Bern, offering a glimpse into the everyday life of one of history's greatest minds. During his time in Bern, Einstein worked at the Swiss Patent Office and developed some of the ideas that would change science forever, including his famous theory of relativity. It's incredible to imagine that world-changing ideas were born right here in these quiet medieval streets. Our next stop is the magnificent Bern Minster, the tallest cathedral in Switzerland. Construction of the cathedral began in 1421 and continued for centuries. Its 100-metre tower was only completed in 1893. The stained glass windows of the cathedral are considered the most valuable in Switzerland, some of them dating from the mid-1400s. The cathedral's Gothic architecture is filled with intricate details, from towering arches to beautifully carved stone statues. A short walk from the city centre leads us to a bridge with views of the Aare River and the Old Town below. To help visitors navigate the steep slope between the river and the upper part of the park, the city operates a free panoramic incline lift, known as the Bern funicular. This unique wheelchair-friendly incline lift carries you gently through the park past the bears' enclosure. The lower path allows visitors to get up close to the rushing turquoise water of the Aare River. No visit to Bern would be complete without seeing the city's most famous symbol, the bears. The bear has been associated with Bern for centuries. According to legend, the city's founder named Bern after the first animal he hunted here. The bear park is home to 3 brown bears living in a modern 6,000 square metre enclosure on the banks of the river. Today the modern bear park provides a far more natural environment than the old bear pits that once stood nearby, giving the bears plenty of space to swim, climb and forage. This area is also one of the most scenic spots in the city, with beautiful walking paths and postcard-perfect views of Bern's Old Town. Bern may be Switzerland's capital, but it still feels intimate, peaceful and timeless. From medieval cathedrals and Einstein's revolutionary ideas to the city's beloved bears, Bern offers a perfect mix of history, culture and natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos in our Swiss travel series. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you west of anywhere.